Greeley Furnace knows how crucial it is to keep your home cool and comfortable during Greeley, Colorado's summer months. A spring HVAC tune-up is the smart way to prepare your air conditioning system before the heat arrives. Routine maintenance helps your system run efficiently and keeps cooling costs under control. During a professional tune-up, technicians inspect your system, clean important components, and address minor issues before they become major repairs. This includes cleaning filters, checking refrigerant levels, and optimizing airflow. These steps ensure your air conditioner is ready for the hottest days and help prevent unexpected breakdowns that can leave you uncomfortable. A well-maintained HVAC system uses less energy, resulting in noticeable savings on your monthly utility bills. Regular tune-ups can also extend the lifespan of your equipment and help you avoid costly emergency repairs. Over time, this routine care can add up to hundreds of dollars saved on energy and repair costs. Spring is the ideal time to schedule your HVAC maintenance before technicians get busy with emergency calls. Trust Greeley Furnace for reliable service in Greeley, Colorado. Call Greeley Furnace today at 970-356-0121 to book your spring tune-up and stay cool while saving money all summer.